How to fix Face ID and passcode missing in iPhone settings. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So without any further ado, let's get started with the steps. First and foremost, you need to head over to the device settings. Once you tap on device settings, scroll down to find the screen time. Once you tap on screen time, you will land to another page. Scroll down and find content and privacy restrictions. After tapping on content and privacy restrictions, tap on allowed apps. Once that is done, search for FaceTime and camera and make sure it is toggled on. If the camera is turned off or toggled off, it means Face ID option may disappear. Once this is done, let's move to step 2. For this, you might have to restart your iPhone. For this, you can tap on the power button and then slide towards the right to turn off or power off, or you could press and hold the power plus volume up button. Then slide to power off. Once your device is restarted, make sure you have updated your iPhone to the latest iOS version. For this as well, head over to Settings, go to General, and then search for Software Update. Once this is done, it should probably fix the error. However, if it's still missing, you might have to reset all the settings. For this, go to Transfer or Reset iPhone and tap on Reset. Don't worry, this will not delete your photos or apps but will reset Wi-Fi and system preferences. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.